Hello friends, welcome to RJ's Property. I'm gonna show you the one property which I have. Hello friends, welcome to Gachibowli Financial District. I'm gonna show you the one property which I have. This is a property in Gachibowli. In front of that property, there is a north-facing entrance and west corner property, 144 square yards, G+3 plus penthouse. Okay, so I will show you the locality inside. There is a parking area and three rooms are there. Without lift, 2 rooms, 1 common washroom. This is the first floor which I am showing. Open ventilation. This flat entrance is north plus east entrance. This is a washing area, you can see easily. This is a washing area with a fully ventilation flat. This is the first floor I am gonna show you. This is the hall of first floor. This is the dining area. On left side there is a puja room and kitchen. This is a washroom, common washroom. This room also is there. This room is common room, bedroom. And this bedroom is master bedroom. This is the open lobby, washing area I am showing you. There is a locality. We are in a second floor. We will show you the first inside room, 1 BHK with a kitchen, common washroom, hall and 1 room is there, big room. So totally rental income property. Who wants to invest the property, invest the money with a property which good gives a rental income, which gives you the good rental income. There is a locality in Accenture company. In that area there is a total commercial area. On third floor there is a 2 rooms with common washroom, and third floor only there is a 1 big room also, and inside also there is a 1 room. So total on third floor 4 rooms are there, 1 BHK, kitchen with room, 2 attached bathrooms, 2 properties. There is a locality, total commercial area good for PGs. On penthouse 4th floor there is a 2 rooms with a common washroom. Borewell also is there and every facilities is there available. There is a RGI road. In that locality there is only 2 acre land residential, remaining totally commercial. There is a Accenture building, exact backside there is a Amazon company also. There is a night view of that